Meaning of double.
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 Double. In computer programming, double is a data type used to store floating point numbers with double precision. It takes up twice as much memory as a float data type, but can represent numbers with more decimal places and can handle larger values. The double data type is commonly used in scientific and engineering applications that require high accuracy calculations. Using double data types can ensure that calculations are stored accurately and prevent rounding errors that can occur with less precise data types.